Hey, it's Elizabeth Brown, the Kitchen Vixen. Welcome to my little kitchen in the morning. I have like 10 minutes to cook before my cleaning girl gets here. I'm making us some poached chicken and a curry cranberry walnut spinach salad. I haven't made it in like years, but this was one of my favorite dishes when I went to culinary school. I lived in Campbell, Northern California. I have my poaching liquid on the stove. I made some tea. I've got my oven set on 325 because I'm going to toast some walnuts. Put some butter in the skillet. I'm going to chop up some red onions, sliced red onions, cranberries, toasted walnuts, the dressing of apple cider vinegar. Basil, what are you doing? Apple cider vinegar and honey and olive oil. Down to like the last bit of my honey. So what I'm going to do is put some tea in my honey jar, kind of loosen up the honey because it's really solid. Let me slice up my onions, get those cooking. My cats are being a little crazy this morning. Maybe they sense my energy. I'm feeling a little like hasty. Normally I like my onions in better slices, but just doing a quick saute. I'm gonna add some curry. And then we're gonna add the cranberries. So I've got some chicken thighs. I've got my organic Mary's organic chicken thighs. Thawed them in my refrigerator overnight. My parents used to thaw stuff on the counter. I don't remember getting sick, still here, but I'm not supposed to do that. Thaw them in the fridge, it's just safer. Or if you're in a hurry, you can, I don't own a microwave. I don't encourage microwaving. I don't like fast cooking, but you can thaw under running water. Chicken in my poaching liquid. Okay, so put that back on the stove, let that poach. So it's kind of like boiling, I guess, but in a little less liquid. It's not fully submerged. It's like steaming. Already ate my breakfast. I was so hungry when I came back from the gym. My favorite Vital Farm eggs and some Romano cheese, some super greens, and then a half of an avocado. Oh, I feel so much better. I was so hungry. So I put some of my tea in the honey, try and loosen up the honey to use for dressing. Now I'm going to add some curry. I'm going to guess a teaspoon. Oh my god, this morning I was cleaning out my fridge. I found a jar of some pesto that I made a long time ago. I didn't realize how long it was in there. This is really bad for me to admit, but I opened up the lid and I was like, pop, and then the fragrance was like, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, I felt like I inhaled major toxins. I'm not perfect. And we're going to add the cranberries. Oh my god, this looks so good. This is like one of my favorite salads. I used to make this all the time. Like a handful. This is for 2 people. Toast this for not more than 5 minutes. I did like a third of a red onion, like a good handful of cranberries. Cook them with the curry and everything. It's like this nice, sweet, savory balance. As a flavor profile, savory is not in the profile. It's actually umami. So it's like sweet, salty, sour, bitter, umami. To me, umami is savory. That's the flavor that you get from nutritional yeast. I always tell people like how it goes well with so many things, plus you get your B vitamins. Plus I'm the reference on Wikipedia. Sorry, my claim to fame. Basil, what are you doing? I've got a new laundry basket and they just have to get inside and see what's going on. I had my spinach out earlier and my cats start to go after it. Like they have an obsession with greens. I probably need to get them some wheatgrass. I'm gonna scrape all the honey that's around the jar here. Now that I put liquid in here, I mean, this is it. Just to add a little sweetness. All right, so we got some olive oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 6 tablespoons. Same amount of apple cider vinegar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I guess I'll put a little pepper. Salt and pepper. I always like Dijon with my dressing too. Just a smidge, just to help it emulsify. Okay, throw in the honey. Take a fork, whisk it up. My dressing, kind of a lot. Let's taste it. So good. It's so simple, so simple. Honey, olive oil, vinegar. I did a little mustard, salt and pepper. Then we take some nice handfuls of greens and just toss it up. Toss the greens with the dressing. Getting down the water. Oh, I gotta check my walnuts. I also have to throw in my gym routine. Yeah, they're okay. Today at the gym, I kind of did some legs, and I did some abs and a little bit of triceps, and it was really, really quick. It was a little cold outside and foggy. I loved it though. I love that weather. It's like misty as I rode. So there's the curry cranberry onion mixture. So then we got those red purple color food, red onion and cranberries. So we're getting our anthocyanins. The skillet is so heavy. Got my specific chicken cutting board, this side up. Hi Chandler. Let's see. The nice thing about poaching this way is I infuse my chicken with some tea. When I was in culinary school, my culinary instructor, Kathy, who was really awesome, she made the experience just so wonderful. She taught us how to make tea eggs, where you make hard-boiled eggs. So you crack the eggs a little bit once they're cooked, and then you put them back in tea, so then they get the tea infused into the egg. Walnuts. Chop some of these up. So they're nice and toasted. They have a nice fragrance. I'm going to chop up the walnuts because they're kind of in big chunks. Here we go. Slice some chicken slices. Hi Chandler, yes, you will get some chicken in a minute. I'm running the LA Marathon, but I'm just doing the half. I just cannot commit to like the longer run training. Plus I didn't give myself enough time to train. I can do the half. So I've been running like 8 miles, 5 to 8 miles most days. But I was going to feature a cat in each one of my cooking videos. So since Chandler's here, she is the chicken queen. She always comes a running when she smells chicken. I think I even have to just say the word. We got our chicken all nice and poached. Goes on top of the salad. That I'm going to share with my cleaning girl and take some to work. Show you, it's so pretty. Here we go. There's our spinach, poached chicken, walnuts, cranberry, curry salad. All right, I gotta go. Bye. Have a good day. Lunch. Curry chicken salad, curried red onion, cranberry, toasted walnuts, poached chicken. Kitty's by my side.